Hi, welcome back to my channel. This is Patricia Stuart of Patricia Stuart Originals. And here I have some masking fluid here on this one, and I did put a second hole on top, and now I'm going to rub off what's underneath. I can't exactly now see where it all is, but I will just rub until it comes up. And as I said in the first part, that you can put it on pretty lightly with a brush, soft brush. And you put it on, you know, thinly, or it will come up pretty easily. And so far you can see the lighter color underneath. I think I had a lot of circles on here. This time I can't really see what's underneath. So this adds something nice to the gel prints. A nice effect. You just have to make sure that your under the print has enough going on, or the colors that you want to come through. Trying to find all of the circles over here, and I think that is all the circles. And this is pretty cool, pretty nice. That's it. And you see how easily it comes up. And so it's worth trying. And I'll put the information again in the description box, and you can try it and let me know how it came out for you and how it worked for you. Until next time.